Assalamu alaikum girls. This is paper May June 2010. You work for a company called Hot House Design. You're going to create a new website for a client called the Relaxing Holiday Company. Okay, now as you can see, there is a top table, then a middle table, then a bottom table. Download the following files. I have already downloaded and sent it to you in the WhatsApp group. Using a suitable software package, create a new web page called JXR8CHTM. Now you open Dreamweaver and this is HTML. You have created this document. After that, you go to File, Save As, and I have already saved this with JXRHC. Okay. Next step. After saving, attach the style sheet JXS style1.css. Now we have to, don't do anything, just attach the style sheet. Format CSS, attach style sheet, browse style. This is JX styles 1. Okay, and click OK. Okay, again. Now we have done what? We have attached the style sheet. Create a table using the contents of JXTop-HTM. Now HTM means that this is a web page. First, we have to open this web page and then we have to copy this table. There is a table and we have to copy that table in our web page. So I have already opened this JXTop-HTM. It's in the folder. So first of all, select the table. Table is selected. Select and copy. Copy the table, go back to your file and paste. So we have pasted this table. Now cursor, we will bring the cursor down. Next point. We have created the table. Set the table width to 100% of the window. Okay. So I'm going to select the table again and open the property window. And over here, the width of the table is 100. And you can see it's written pixels over here. You make it to percentage. Okay, done with that. Just a minute. At the top of the page, create an anchor called Start. Okay. The Dreamweaver, our cursor should be at the top of the table. Now my cursor is blinking at the top of the table. Over here, go to Insert, then Named Anchor. Name of the anchor is Top. Okay. And you can see named anchor is over here. Done. Replace the text candidate name, center number, candidate number with your name, center number, and candidate number. So you can see it is written over here, edited by candidate name, this candidate name. So I'm going to write name over here. Suppose my center number is 123 and my candidate number is 4567. Done with the point. Create the middle table with 3 rows, 2 columns as shown in the diagram on the previous page. First of all, we have to over here insert a table, which looks like the diagram. So you can see in the diagram, this is the middle table with 1, 2, 2, 2 columns, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 2 columns. Insert table, 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so the table is here. Now, next point is that set the table width of the middle table to 90% of the window. Table is selected and we will set it to 90% is here. Done. Now you have to copy the table. It should look like just like the table given in the paper. You can see first column, all the rows are merged. So what will we do? We will come here, we will select all these 3 cells. In the properties window, there is an icon of merge cells. So we have merged all these cells. And we have set the width of the table to 90%. Align the middle of the table with the center of the window. So select your table to get to the properties. Over here in the properties, align is written. So click on center. Now table is aligned to the center of the browser window. Place the image harbor in the left cell of the middle table. In this cell, left cell of the middle table, we have to insert an image with the name of harbor. Okay, so I'm going to look for the image. This. Okay, alternate text will be harbor. Okay, and the image is here. Next. Use the contents of the file JXText to replace the following text, to place the following text as style H3 in the middle table. Now place the text we offer in the top, this and this, to the top right cell. This is the top right cell. First, I'm going to click inside the top right cell. You can see my cursor blinking over here. Now I'm going to open the text file. JXText. It should be JXText. Yes. Now this is JXText. Open it. It will open in a notepad. First check format should be word wrap. Now you have to copy till here. Copy, and we will paste it in the top right cell. Paste it. It's pasted. Now next, place the text. Let us arrange for holidays for you. We will collect you from your home and offer the best services of any holiday company in the world in the middle cell. Okay, so up till here, we will copy and paste it in the middle right cell. Paste it. Now place the text, combine our services so and so in the bottom right. Okay, combine our services, copy and then paste them. Next, make sure that the styles which are in the style sheet are not overridden. Okay, they are not overridden right now. And the other thing is that the style should be age 3 of all this, whatever we have pasted. So this should be age 3. This should be format to age 3, and this format age 3. So done up till here. Create the bottom table using the contents of JX bottom HTML. Now this is again a web page and we have to create a table. We will open this web page. It has a table. We will copy that table and paste it. So our cursor should be below the middle, this table. And I'm going to file, open, and look for the web page JX bottom. This was top. This is bottom. Okay. Select and click on open. This is the web page. I'm going to select the table, copy, go back to my web page, and my cursor is here. As you can see, it's blinking over here. I'm going to paste this table over here like this. Done. Now set the table width. It should be 100% width of the, okay. You know how to do that. Select the table, this third table, properties, width is 100%, 100%, percentage, change pixels to percentage. Okay, done. Next point. Replace the text, place anchor here with the anchor snow zone. The anchor must not be visible on the page. Okay, whenever we view the page in the browser, the anchor is not visible. We already know that. So this over here, we will delete. Our cursor should be at the top over here, and we have to create a named anchor over here. Insert named anchor, and see, named anchor should be snow zone. Okay, named anchor snow zone. Click OK. Anchor you can see over here, but this is not visible on the web page when you will view it in the browser. Okay. Create a hyperlink from the word snow in the top table to the anchor that you have just created. Now, in the top table, there is a word snow, this. Now, we have to create a hyperlink which should take us to the bottom table over here. So, to the anchor, insert, hyperlink. In the link window, look for snow zone, click OK. And now you can see we have created this hyperlink. Done. Make only the words click here a hyperlink to the anchor called start. Okay, so we are going to click here. This is in the bottom table. Select this, go to insert, hyperlink. It should take us to the top of the page. Okay, and hyperlink has been created. Okay, both the anchors and the hyperlinks. Select the most appropriate image from those obtained in step 1 and use this to replace the word sun in the bottom table. Okay, this is the bottom table. This is sun, and we are going to delete and replace it with the text sun. So insert image, look for the image of sun. Okay, alternate text should be sun. Okay, sun is here. Select the most appropriate image from obtained in step 1 and use this to replace the word C in the bottom tip. Okay, now I'm going to remove C, and instead of this text, I'm going to insert the image of C. So all the images that we have, we are going to look for the image of C. So this looks like C to me. Okay, write SEA, alternate text is C. Okay. Similarly, I will insert all the images, all these two images, and get back to you. So I've inserted all these images according to the paper. And contact and so on. Set the width of each of the image placed in step this and this to 160 pixels wide and maintain the aspect ratio. So 160 pixels wide. Select the image, properties window. Width is 160. So you can see that aspect, for the aspect ratio, to maintain the aspect ratio, this toggle size constraint is locked. Okay, so I've just changed the width. I'm going to change the width of the second. Second is already 160. Click on third image, make it 160. And the third image, this is already 160. So maintaining the aspect ratio of the images, we have changed the width to 160, and then create a hyperlink from the image placed in step 18 to point to the file JXC HTM, which should open in a new window called _C. Okay, now I told you that in the new window, how to get and what is meant by _C, I'll tell you. So first of all, image created in step 18 was the image of C. It should take us to another web page with the name of jxc.htm. So this is the image of C. And what we do, select the image. Now in the linking area, this is a folder. Click on the folder, look for the web page with the name of JXC. This is JXC. Click on it, click OK. Now where it's written target over here, you have to write _C. Got it? Done. You want to check preview in Chrome, changes, yes. The image of C, it should take us to this web page. Okay, next point. Create a hyperlink from the image placed in step 20 to send an email to so-and-so. Okay. So in step 20 was contact us. We have to select that image. This is contact us, select that image. Now we have to send this, use it to send an email. So we will write an mail to, then email address, colon, then email address, which is RHC. I'm sorry, not in the link, in the target area. We are going to mail to at e .org.uk. Let me double check. RHC. So let me check, is it RHC? Done. And after writing down, put a question mark. Rita hyphen the image placed in to send an email, and as you can see, there is no subject, so you won't write the subject. Save the web page at jxrhc1.htm. Web page. First of all, we will Control S. Just first look that everything is working or not in the Chrome. This should open the email. Yes, this is opening the email. So this is working. C is opening another web page called C. So this our web page is working. So what we are going to do is that we are going to save it in the same folder. Say save as JX. I think it's 1. Okay. We will just write 1 over here and click on save. Now this is saved as a new name. We have done that. Okay. Save and the print a copy of the HTML source. Now I've told you when you want to print the HTML source, you have to click on port and then give the print command. Okay. Yes. File, print code. Okay. Next point. Attach the style sheet with the name, its name is style2.css to this web page. Now this web page, we will attach, we have already attached a style sheet, but now we are going to attach another style sheet format, CSS styles, attach style sheet, browse with the name of this JX something styles 2. Okay, okay, again. So the background has changed, as you can see. Text color has changed. I mean, the heading color is changed. Next point. Now we have to save this web page as JX something S2. Okay, file, save as. Instead of 1, name should be the same, but now you will save it with the same name, but write 2, click save. Now this is also saved. Point done. Open this web page in your web browser, print or screenshot evidence of this page. You may use more than one printout to make sure that the entire page is visible. Okay, so we have the evidence document. I'm going to close the previous one. and we will check whether evidence. So evidence document is not given. So what we are going to do is that we are going to open the Word document. In the header, write your name, your center number, your candidate number. And over here you will write evidence 1, and the paper, it says open this in the browser, print screenshot evidence of this web page. Okay, so we are going to open this web page in the browser. And we can take at least 1 or 2 screenshots of this so that examiner can have a look, or it hasn't told us that it should be on one page. So click on print screen, Word document, paste. This is the screenshot. I have to go print screen Word. So we have this print screen. This is evidence 1. So you can see whole of this page is not over here. So again, going back to this, we will take a click on or press print screen, come back. The cursor should be below this image, paste. Now in 2 screenshots, you have this. And this was supposed to be evidence 1. Make it bold, done. Okay, save. The same file. This is done. Now open the web page JXC. Now we are going to open. We don't want top one, we don't want bottom, so I'm going to. This is one. This is file. Open web page with the name of C. Open. Now this is the web page. What we have to do now in this web page, attach the style sheet style 2 to this web page. This is the web page. Format, CSS styles, attach style sheet, and this JX style sheet 2, okay, and okay. Now we have attached the style sheet. Next, make the text home link to, okay, this file JXR8C2HTM. Okay. Now, over here, you can see this is a text home. Select the text. Go to insert, hyperlink, browse from this folder, look for the file which you just saved, JX something 2. Over here, this is 1, this is 2. Click on it, click OK. It hasn't told us for any target, so click OK. Now, Control S, just let me check. Yes, it takes us to the previous file that we have created. Top of the page. So, okay. Let me go back. What else? Save the web page. It's saved. Okay. I think that was all. Click here. Let me check the browser. Click here to go to the top. Okay, so this means that we click over here, it will take us to the top of the page. It's working. This C will take us to this file which we have edited right now, the web page, home, back to the same file. So this is all. Okay, then I'm going to show you another paper. Okay, Allah Hafiz.